How's it going, YouTube? No, it's been a while since I posted some content. I apologize about that. I was moving, had all my stuff packed up, and just now getting everything settled in and back to making some content. But today I was just getting on here. I wanted to talk about some Cricut bundles and some Cricut accessories. I see people like I was whenever I first got my Cricut, okay, we got the Cricut Machine, but what else do I need to get? You know, um, oh well, I'll just get a bundle. That'll have everything, and I won't have to buy anything else. That would have been nice. I would have wanted to buy a bundle, but you know, um, a lot of the bundles, like, you don't really need all that stuff, or you're not gonna use it, or um, it's just not worth it. But you don't know that because you can buy everything separately. So today I'm gonna talk about how to know if you're actually getting a good deal in a bundle, and if you're also go over the best Black Friday prices, how to save you a ton of money. So y'all be sure to watch this video all the way through and like and subscribe, and let's go. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna go over to Cricut's website because Cricut's having a huge sale today. Like, everything and everything on the site, like all their accessories and materials and everything is 50% off in the entire store, and some of it's even on clearance too. So and they even have their machines on sale. So let's head over there. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. Holy crap, I'm smaller. How did that happen? Okay, so all you do is go to Cricut.com to find the deals. And once that loads, come over here to shop. And boom, their Black Friday just pops up. So we'll click on shop sale. And alright. So you can browse all right away. I'm gonna just show y'all everything that they have displayed. $170 on Cricut Maker, $100 off Cricut Explore Air 2. So now it's only $149. And then materials 50% off, and heat press starting at 50. So this is going into the sale already, and you can search by like your machine. So say you want to find stuff for you have the maker and you want to find stuff for the maker. Well, here's everything. And look at this is $100 and now it's only $49. Like, that is insane. So let's go shop their sale though. Browse all. Let's just kind of see what's available. Actually, let's look at the machines, because they have some bundles on here. So I want to show y'all what I'm talking about with the bundles. So here we got the Cricut Maker. The Cricut Maker machine by itself is $229, and the bundle is $279. So, $50 more, and you get all this stuff. It'll tell you everything down here: blades, mats, materials, and more. And so, like, you have everything you need right out of the box, right? And a lot of everything you need too. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rolls of vinyl, and these are all multi-pack rolls right here with different multicolors in them. Then you got some cardstock, it looks like, and some felt, the tool set, the sliding cutter, even some pins and the scoring tool. So yeah, this is really a good deal. And then if you are a Cricut Access subscriber, like you pay the $10 a month for the design space and use all the pictures and stuff, you even get a deeper discount, and you only pay $251. So that's right here. It's kind of looks like it's cut off the window, or maybe it's just my computer, but we'll see. Anyway, we're gonna keep on going. So, but yeah, so it's only $251 if you have the Cricut Access account. So, we'll see some other deals that's going on right now. Amazon's got some really good deals on their Cricut stuff right now. They got the Easy Press, Easy Press 2, for $99. It's normally $189, so that's almost half off. see if Cricut's got a sale on their heat presses right now. Let's see how much they cost. Shop now. Yeah, same price. So same on as Amazon, $99. But whenever you spend $100 on Cricut, they're going to give you a $20 coupon on your next order. So I would order it through Cricut over Amazon unless you have some kind of special incentive for shopping on Amazon. But they do have like these markers. I bought these when they were $42.99, and now they're only $17.49. Shame. All right, let's see what else there is. Oh, Hobby Lobby. I see these at Hobby Lobby all the time. Last time I saw them, they were only $4. But they're infusible ink pens. They're awesome because instead of buying the infusible ink sheets and like getting like 1 or 2 uses out of them, like these pens, they'll just draw on laser paper and you can use them over and over and over again, so that you get a lot more use out of them. Here's a Walmart bundle. This is for a Cricut Joy Machine. It's about $129 right now. So this one's bundle's $164, but you're getting the Cricut Joy Machine. You're getting it looks like a little book. You're getting 2 rolls of smart vinyl. Those are about $5 a piece. The Cricut Joy tools, it's probably around $10 to $15. These mats are like $5. So I mean, it averages out. You know, you don't really need the book. Cricut's got everything, tutorials and everything as you go. So they really help you through it. So but it's not a bad deal. Anyway, so now Kohl's has a Black Friday deal. This is regularly $489, right? And you get this bundle, and it looks like you're getting you're like, oh wow, that's a lot. $269. Oh wow, that's a lot off. But really, like, all you're getting is just like the Cricut Maker, the tool set, the knife, one thing of sticker paper, and one thing of premium vinyl removable, and then the mat. For $10 more on Cricut's site, you've got the whole freaking bundle, with all the vinyl with that. It includes a lot more stuff. So Target's kind of got the same thing going on over here. You get the same exact stuff as you get with Kohl's, but theirs is even more expensive, $2.99. So that's what I'm talking about with Beware bundles. A lot of the bundles that I've seen just come with the stuff that the machines come with already. So your machines are going to come with a sample project. They're going to come with a pen. They're going to come with some things already in the box. So a lot of times, like whenever I see a bundle, I'll see like what's included, and those are the only things that's included. And well, that's not a bundle, So beware of that. And also, like, if you are buying a new machine, that way you can expect some sample materials and stuff as well. Anyway, guys, so I hope that helped some of you. I got a Cricut mug press, so I made a mug for my sister, Santa Claus mug for my sister. So I made some mistakes on it, so I know what to do, what not to do, to give y'all some tips, so y'all can get to making all your Christmas presents and giving everybody coffee cups for Christmas. Yeah! Anyway, guys, make sure y'all like and subscribe so y'all know when that content drops, and I will see y'all then. Y'all have a good day. Bye.